how to manage free game notifications on Epic Games PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to Epic Games, as you can see right here. This is the home page. Now go to Unreal Engine, click on it and go down to settings right here. Now after you click on settings, it will take you directly to this page, and as you can see, all what you have to do now is scroll down until you find show free game notifications. Now you can enable it or disable it from here easily, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.